Hello, my friends. This is Joanne. How are you? That's right. You saw correctly at the beginning of this video. Bramble Fox now has perspectives for our fur friends, cats and dogs. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited when they came out with this. And I am super excited to announce this is my first project on the Bramble Fox design team. I was on the challenge design team for 2 terms. Now I'm on the design team. I love Bramble Fox. It's one of my favorites. So I went ahead and put pictures in with the dog and cat perspectives. I have kitties, but I wanted everybody who has puppies to be able to see the dog ones too with the photos. So this one says Catastrophe, Cat's Whiskers. Isn't that great? We're probably not going to use these today, but I definitely wanted to show them to you. And then there's these petite perspectives. Oh my gosh, there's more in this package. I'm going to use them. You get 2 little cat heads with little teeny whiskers, 2 fish bones, 4 fish bones. You get 2 pink, 2 white. And then you get 4 fish, 2 white, 2 pink. And then you get 2 meows and 2 purrs. Oh my gosh, so exciting. I love them. So cute. Okay, and then we also have these little sentiments, which I love. They will match so many different collections. They're perfect. I love them. All you do is cut them out on your trimmer and then use whatever sentiment that you want, and they're called paper snips, okay? So I will link Bramble Fox below and also our Facebook group. So come on over and join us. We have a monthly challenge that you can enter to win a gift certificate to the Bramble Fox shop. So check that out. I am going to use the May 2022 Hip Kit Club subscription, which I love these papers. Oh, let me show you my photos. So here's my baby. Isn't she cute? This is Sophie Marie. And I have that one and this one. So cute. And I love this one because she's looking up and you can see her pink little mouth. And I'm going to use my Simple Stories page template. And this is design number 3. And it comes with 6 3x4 slots. And these things are fantastic. So all I did was cut my piece of paper out to the size of this template, and then it gives you perfect spots for 3x4, 4x3 photos, or cut apart sheets, or just cutting some pattern paper, whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this down and line it up with this piece of paper here and make sure it's hitting all the corners and all the edges perfectly, because then everything will be lined up very, very nicely. So I will go ahead and use a little washi tape and just adhere that down just so I don't hit it while I'm trying to get my stuff in there to decorate. So we're going to use that. I think you could still see it. Yep, very good. All right, so photo placement. I'm not going to back my photos with any pattern paper because I'm going to use that as the background. So I was thinking I would put this one here because she's looking down, and how cute to put these here as it's looking up. I just think that looks adorable. Isn't that cute? I love it. So let's go ahead and get those adhered down. I'm going to use some ATG. What I was thinking about doing is decorating the other 3 remaining 3x4s, and then also decorating a little bit right on top of the photo. So this is like the easiest way to make yourself a pretty little grid design. So let's go ahead and get one of these decorated. I made some tags. There was a cut apart tag sheet in this kit, some ribbon, some twine made into a bow. I made a little charm, just a circle extender with a pretty little pink butterfly. Okay, so I was thinking about putting that right there, and that will fit in there perfect this way. And then this one, same thing, tag, ribbon, twine, charm, but that one's a flower. And I did put her name is Sophie Marie, down with the outfits that came with the kit ahead of time because I just struggle with those and I didn't want you to have to suffer through watching that. So a couple little tags instead of photos. Very, very pretty. All right, this is a piece of chipboard and it's a flower pot. I thought we would put this right on here. Let's go ahead and get my glue and get those stuck down too. I love this. Now, I just took these photos last week, so it's summertime now. But this does say spring on it, but I'm not going to worry about it because I'm going to cover it up with a perspective and you'll never know. So I'll put that right there. And then I'm going to put a perspective over the top of that. Okay, so I'm going to take this really cute fish perspective and I'm going to put it right over that word that says spring because this is not a spring photo, but I really wanted to use that chipboard embellishment. You'll never know it's under there. So give that just a second to dry. There, we'll leave that there for a moment. Let's go ahead and get this one stuck down. Let's use a little ATG. And go ahead, and I love it because I don't need a ruler. I can just line it up with the bottom of this template. Press that down. Perfect. I'm going to come in with some glossy accents right about where that charm is going to be because I would like it to stay there. I don't want it to move around once I put it in my page protector. So I'll just do that and then I'll leave it be and let it dry. Right. That should be adhered down now. I'll use glue for this one. Just a little bit. You don't want your paper to get all soggy. And then I'll do the same thing with that charm. I'll adhere it down with some glossy accents so the butterfly is not moving around. There we go. Just use my tweezers and pick that up. There we go, got it. Give that a moment or two to dry and adhere right to that paper. Good, okay. Then the next thing I want to do is I'm thinking that instead of this pattern paper, I'm going to utilize one of the beautiful pocket cards from the kit. I'm just going to put that right in there. So I'll put some ATG on this one as well. And that'll adhere down nicely. And this is definitely a 4x3, so it'll line up perfectly inside this spot. And now I do believe we are ready to take the template off and then we can see the results here. If I can get my washi tape off, there we go. Throw that away. And I'm going to lift gently over the ribbon like so. And look how perfect it comes out. Those templates are perfect. Okay, so one perspective down so far. I was thinking, let's go ahead and put a perspective on each one of the photos. I think that would be really, really cute. So I also cut out these paper snips. It says happy and the pinks are perfect. And then there's XOXO with a heart and then a love with a heart. So let's put one here like so, because there's some free space in the photos here down by the carpet. And then maybe we'll put happy here. I think that's going to look adorable. And then XOXO here. Yep, good. All right, let's get those adhered down. Now just a little bit of glue, very tiny bit, because I'm going to put this right on top of the photo and I don't want it to seep out through the sides. Okay, good. And 2 more to go. Hope everybody's doing well and you had a nice holiday weekend if you celebrate it. while we're talking about that, I did want to let you know that Bramble Fox is international. So they are in the UK, but don't worry if you're in the US or Canada or anywhere else. They ship internationally. So it's perfect. And there's a monthly subscription. It's called the Fox Box that you can sign up and get your monthly Bramble Fox pieces that are only available to subscribers. So you cannot get the perspectives in the Fox Box just from the shop. So you'll have exclusive items available to you. I want to place these somewhere. I'm trying to think about what I want to do. Let's see. Oh, that looks adorable, doesn't it? Now, where can I put this little cat head? That's distracting. Right there, there's more free space. I like that better. I'm going to use the white ones. And then we're going to say Purr happy and Meow. Let me show you these close because they're so adorable. Purr and Meow. Oh my gosh. Purr happy and Meow. How cute. I love it. So I'm going to put a very little bit of glossy accents on there. Just dab it on there, and then I'll rub it with my finger just because they're very petite and I don't want a ton of glue on there. Excuse my hand while I get that down. It's stuck to my finger. Hold that for just a second. It's not going to take very long to adhere. And we'll just do the same thing here. Very little bit. I'm just putting a little dot of glossy accents on there. Just a dot. Okay. This one over above that. I think that's really cute. And then what else do we have to glue down? Let's get this little fish. There's regular perspectives and what they call petite perspective, which are these. They're very tiny. So when you take the protective coating off the tiny ones, just be gentle and go slow and you'll be fine. Okay. And then here's this. Put the little cat head right here. Gosh, so cute. It's got a little mouth. We'll do something and make little teeny eyes. Maybe we'll use a little pink gem to make eyes. How cute would that be? You could use Nouveau drops and make little eyes too. All right. Let me see. Do I need this for anything else? I don't think so. Now, let's come in and decorate this final card here. And what I have is this. It's a fabric embellishment. It looks like a pocket. Isn't it adorable? I'm going to put some ATG on the back of this. Just like this. But before I do that, I'm going to put this beautiful rainbow embellishment behind it. Let me see where I want to put it. Put this down at the bottom of the pocket card and then slide this under here so it looks cute. Yep, just like that. Then I'll press down on the pocket part and then I will use glue to adhere the ephemera piece. Down like this. This is going to be a flat layout with the only dimension being the beautiful perspectives. Okay, there's that. And let me see, I have a button from the kit and I put a little piece of twine in the middle of it. So I'm going to glue it right where this blue button is for the pocket. I just don't have a ton of glue on this, so I thought it would be cute to put a little button there instead. Let's go ahead and see how that looks. I'll use my tweezers. Just go right over that, like so. Give that just a couple minutes to dry. Doesn't that look adorable? I love it. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, look at this. These are the branding strips from this month's Kit's paper. See? Hip Kit Club. And Hip Kit branding strips are gorgeous all the time. So I was thinking about taking the branding strip and doing something with them on the top and bottom. I'm wondering if I want it to be like just the width of this paper here, or if I want it to go all the way across like this. I don't know which one I like better. I think maybe just the width of the paper going across here. So what I'll do is line that up perfectly. And then I'm going to take my pen and just draw a line. I'll cut it. I'll put one on the top and on the bottom. Okay, let's get some little teeny puffy butterflies on here. I think that would look perfect right there. I really do. So I'm going to put that right about there. And then I have another one stuck to my finger because I really want to use it, but I don't know where I want to put it. Maybe we could put one right on the picture. Adorable. And then I think that I would need another one. But I already have this butterfly charm here, so I don't want to do another one there. Let's do a little yellow one somewhere. It's like right here, up in this corner. That would be cute. So let's do a little close-ups. There's that one tag there. And then that picture with some gems and some paper snips and a little butterfly and that little teeny cat head. Oh, let's go ahead and put some little eyes on that. I forgot. Let's see if pink eyes look good. So here's some pink fresh gems. Good thing I remembered. I'm going to take two little tiny ones and see if it looks good. If not, we can get enamel dots, or we can get Nouveau drops. That would be cute. Let's see. That's adorable. And I'm not going to do splatters or anything because I'm liking the fresh, clean pastel colors of this layout. Look at the little kitty with the eyes now. I love it. All right, and there's the little fishies that you get. There's the top of that tag, and there's my actual cat meowing. And the Meow down there. How cute is that Meow? Little pocket with some florals coming out here. And I put little gems just in a couple of the flowers there and the butterfly. And then here's the Purr perspective. They're just too cute. I can't stand it. And look at my little Sophie Marie. She's so adorable. All right, guys. I hope you liked this. And please subscribe to my channel and the Bramble Fox YouTube channel. This will be posted on both, so I'll put some close-ups at the end. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you have a good day. Bye.